Sam,
Mm.
what is LoadSmart doing in terms of proactively communicating with your customers about what these upcoming changes could mean for their overall business?
Well, the first thing we do is we're kind of educating our customers on what the changes are. And then we're kind of really doing more a deep dive analysis on, is this really going to affect their business today, right? The biggest thing with freight costs is like, you want to make sure you can judge it for the future. Is this going to raise your costs? Going to lower your costs? So what we're doing is really big, large density studies to where, some of our customers are on that already 11-tier density scale. So we're reevaluating, looking at the same data they shipped on the 13-item density scale and see if there's any changes. So far we haven't seen a huge impact to our customers' business. And so, but customers need to be educated on what that looks like moving forward. And so, with these changes coming up, we want to be able to kind of push customers into the future of what's happening so they can proactively adjust their business model as they need to. So, if your current providers aren't doing that today, I highly recommend you guys a customer reaching out to LoadSmart and allowing us to do this type of density study for them.